Hi guys, welcome to Lennox Bennett channel. Today we will be looking at simple interest, and the first one is calculate the simple interest on a loan of $500 for 2 years at 10%. Alright, so we know that simple interest is equal to P times T times R. And we get 100, and that comes from the percentage. Since percent is out of 100, that's where the percent comes from. So let us define each. So P is for principal, and the principal at a school. T is for time, and that is expressed in years. Alright, so if you get the time in months, you convert it to years. R is equal to the rate, and that is expressed as a percentage. So now that we've done that, let us get right into it. So first, guys, you want to label each point. So 500 would represent the principal, T would be the years, and percent are the rate. Right, so let's go. So it's 500 multiplied by 2, which is the 2 years, times 10, which is the 10%, and we get the 100. Alright, so let's proceed to cancel. We divide by 100. 100 into itself 1, 100 to that 5. So 5 times 2, that's 10, times 10, so that's $100. Alright, please ensure that you like the video. Let's look at number 2. It says calculate the rate of interest on a loan of $1,000 for 3 years. Simple interest of $200. Alright, so let's go. So first write about the formula, which is simple interest is equal to P times C times R upon 100. Alright, let's proceed. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put in all the information that we are given. Alright, so now we're going to put in all the information. So we identify our principal, which is 1,000, T, which is time, and the simple interest this time, which is $200. Hit the like button, guys. Alright, so let's go. So 200, because that is simple interest, 1,000, that's the principal, and then we times the time, which is 3 years, times R. We don't know R, so we use R to represent it, which is the rate. And from here, all we're going to do is just transpose. This 100 is being divided, so we're going to multiply 200 by 100, and that is equal to 1,000 times 3 times R. Again, we transpose, so 100 times R, that's being multiplied, so we divide by 1,000 times 3. And we know it's an equation, so anything we do to one side, we're going to do to both sides. And from there, we just cancel down, right? So it would be 200 times 100 divided by 100 times 3, and we can use divide by 10 since all is ended 0. So our final answer would be 20 divided by 3, which is equal to 6. Is a recurring decimal, 6.66666, but we'll just round it off to 6.67. And notice I have the percent. Alright, can we do another one, guys? Let's go. Hit the like button if you have not done so. So we appreciate you all. Let's go. Alright, next one says calculate the time on a loan of $200 at a rate of 5%, and the simple interest amounts to $50. So again, we write out the formula, which is simple interest is equal to P times T times R, and we know that 100 comes from the percentage. Let's proceed. So we identify each. The simple interest is $50, so we say $50 is equal to, what's the principal? If you said 200, you are correct. Let's go. So it's 200 multiplied by 5. We don't know what the time, so we use T, and we have 100. Alright, let's transpose. What is opposite? Take the opposite of what is done to T. So 100 is being divided, so we multiply, and then we have 200 times 5 is being, so we divide. And from there, we cancel down, and whatever we get, that would be our answer. Alright guys, please ensure that you are subscribed. Please ensure you like the video. go to my YouTube channel. So it's 25 divided by 5, which works out to 5 years. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Mr. Bennett appreciate you all. Please ensure that you go to my YouTube channel for more. This is the next Bennett. I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video. Big up guys. Please remember to share with others. Alright, I'm out, no doubt.